Hi, my name's Ronnie Russell. I'm at the Jaguar Breakfast Club event at Riverside Museum in Glasgow. It's the first time they've had an event in Glasgow. I'm with John Meldrum. And
hi, John.
Hi. We have something which we think you will really like. It's not something you do see them every day, but people love to come and see them because they are what they are. We're talking about the E-Type Jaguar. Now, John, how long have you had the car for?
I've had the car for 2 years.
2 years, right. And what size of engine have we got in this little beauty?
It's a 4.2, it's a series 1.5.
It's a 1.5, 4.2. What year is it?
It's 1968.
1968.
And this car, before I bought it, had a full restoration, body off restoration. Right. So the car's essentially like new.
Right, no, it certainly it looks absolutely fantastic. Matter of fact, do you want to open the bonnet and we'll actually have a wee look at the engine? Oh, is this one of the ones you've got to open both sides?
You've got to do both sides, haven't you?
You see both sides. It shows you, hey, I'm learning something.
Okay, I'm down at the Riverside.
Peter, it's no open here.
No.
Right, here we are. So here's our lovely engine.
Okay.
There you are, Peter. Feast your eyes on this lovely
4.2. Quite a lot of upgrades to the original car, but it runs very, very nicely now. It's very reliable.
Very neat, very tidy.
Yeah.
Yes.
So there's 3 carburettors.
I like it.
3 carburettors.
Yeah.
6 cylinders.
And look under here. Look under here. Look at absolutely immaculate. And that's lovely. Lovely colour.
Yeah.
So it's not just silver. What colour would that be?
It's actually, I think it's Daytona Silver.
Daytona Silver.
Yeah,
right.
I think that's what it was. It's an unusual silver, but it's nice.
It's a nice shade of silver.
Has it been resprayed?
Yeah, it's a full body off restoration.
Yeah.
Back to bare metal, and that was done in 2001. 2001 it was done. Yeah. So,
could we hear it? Could you start it up?
Yeah.
Could we hear it running? And we'll actually see the engine running. Then we'll go to the back, Peter, and hear the purr or the roar. And see what we've got.
I'll tell you what's interesting with these. They've got 3 window wipers.
Wow, that was a different start again.
Yeah.
What we had earlier.
Whoa!
Like it.
Get behind the back.
Oh, turn it off at the back. Now we're talking. Yes, now we're talking.
The smell of petrol. Fantastic.
That was a fantastic sound.
Yeah, nice noise.
That's a fantastic sound. Do you want to hear it again?
Yes.
We'll do it again just for the viewers. Because that's not the sort of thing we catch very often, but that.
Very nice.
There we go. That's
yes.
fine. The thing is that we don't want to over rev a car at a show because the organisers get a wee bit. They don't want cars going rev, but it was worth catching that because it was so different.
I'll tell you an interesting story. The reason why I've got an E-Type Jag is that when I was younger, one of my uncles worked for Jaguar.
Right.
And I told him that for the time he retires, I'll have an E-Type Jag and he can look after it for me.
Yeah.
Right. Well, I actually died 4 years ago. So
oh dear. We shouldn't laugh, should we?
I did say I would buy one and I bought one, you know. So, yeah, so it's great.
Now,
funny enough, it's amazing the amount of guys who actually grew up and this was their dream car, right? The E-Type was the car to have, and it still is. It's a legend, right? And people who love them. And actually, it's probably the most talked about and the most photographed car in the world. People will disagree with you, but the E-Type has got that. That car shows. I know one of the cars I was at down at the NEC. There's a chap his job all day was to polish the E-Type. Now you think, oh, well, maybe over the top. No, he polished the E-Type because everybody wanted to touch the E-Type. And of course, it actually leaves a mark on the car. So he was polishing the marks off. And I thought, I never realised that. They see it, but they've got this thing, you've got to touch it, you know?
Yeah.
But it's got that magic.
No, you're right.
E-Type's got that magic.
Now there's one more thing that I find fascinating, and that's it's got 3 wipers. Could we have a look at the 3 wipers? Because I just find that fascinating. I don't know why.
No matter, right?
I just think that's cool. There you go.
You got it? Actually, I've seen these actually 3 wipers, never actually seen them going.
Yeah.
So that's another first for us,
There you
Peter.
go.
Well
There you
done.
go. I saw
We always
that
find something.
Yeah.
I don't take out the right.
No.
John, thanks for talking
Yes.
with me tonight.
Thank you very much. Thanks, John.
Feel YouTube, Peter.
Okay, we're still at the Riverside Museum. Come across another beautiful E-Type. This is a 1968 Series 1.5 because it's 2+2. It's got 2 seats in the back. It's 4.2 and it's absolutely stunning. Lovely, lovely wire wheels. Absolutely lovely. Bit busy inside. Got the owner says he's got a picnic and he's waiting for his wife before he gets the picnic out. So I'm gonna come back later and have a sandwich, eh? Nice interior. Can we have a look at the engine? The catchers are on both sides just for security because it's a big bonnet. There we go. Yeah. Original XK 4.2 engine. Have they got matching numbers and all that?
Yes.
Yeah? Beautiful.
Yeah.